Hello everybody. In this video I will show you how to install and use Spotify on the Samsung Galaxy Watch. First of all, open the app menu and then open Google Play and then search for Spotify. Search and then install this app, the official Spotify app. It's installing. And when it's installed, open the app. And when you already have installed Spotify on your smartphone, you don't need to enter your username and password. It goes automatically. Now you can use it. You can go to your library, downloads, playlists, artists, albums, in order to play some music. Choose an album, choose a song. And then it will play. Sound quality is great. The instrumentals part. The singing part also sounds great. And you can also change the volume by this button. Can sound soft, but also make it louder. Or connect another device. So that's amazing. Thanks for watching.